Hi, this is Aditya. I make the hardware which runs our charger. When we talk about EV in India, the conversation usually focuses on the vehicles. But the truth is, the success of the transition depends just as much on the charger. And that's why it's very important to make them here in India. At Kazam, we design, develop and manufacture our chargers entirely locally. That means we don't just assemble the components, we own the technology, the safety and the reliability end to end. Why is that critical? Because India's grid is very different from other countries. We deal with constant voltage fluctuation, unexpected surge event, and in many places, even the basic standards like phase neutral earth are not followed. Imported chargers are not built for this reality, ours is. For OEMs, this local approach is a big advantage. We tightly align with standards like IS 17017 and go beyond them. Where the requirement is surge protection up to 4 kV, we deliver 10 kV. Our chargers are ARAI and NABL approved and comes with Kazam own communication protocol for deeper integration. For fleets, the benefits are even more direct. Real-time charger status means better utilization, standard safety parameters like fire safety, proper earthing, live monitoring means fleet can scale without worrying about downtime. And Make in India has a bigger impact too. Today, around 60-70% of our bill of material is locally sourced, with volume touching 10,000 units. That means job, new skill, and growth for our manufacturing communities. It also means more sustainability. Where a charger is damaged, we don't scrap it, we repair it. Parts are easily replaceable, technicians get more work, and e-waste is reduced. So when we say Made in India chargers, it is not just about national pride, it's about building for Indian conditions, scaling for transport-dense market across global south, creating value for OEM and fleet, strengthening local industries, and making EV adoption truly sustainable. That's the future we are working towards at Kazam.